The opposition Voice of the People Party has announced its decision to field Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon, General Secretary of the party, as the candidate from the Shillong seat in the upcoming Lok Sabha election. The VPP Election Committee announced the name of Syngkon, the founding member and General Secretary of the party, during a press briefing held in Shillong. VPP Vice President Dr. Karachen asserted that the party will go solo and will not seek the support of other parties, national or regional.
Well, I don't think we need the support because first of all, I'm sure that the ideology of the party also is different from other regional parties. Okay, so that is, I think, it's difficult for us to work with other political parties. He is here because he's here to concentrate on state politics. Okay, he's the president of the party, the leader of the party. We feel that he's the right person who would be in the state, not to go to Delhi. So which is why we have decided to field Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon as our candidate for the Lok Sabha election next year.